Introduction to AI Writing Prompts. Welcome to the course on writing prompts for AI. In this course, you will learn how to use AI writing prompts and tools to generate creative content. This course is designed for writers, marketers, content creators, and anyone who wants to learn how to use AI to enhance their writing skills. In this video, we will begin with an introduction to AI writing prompts, their importance in generating creative content, and the ethical considerations in using AI to generate content. AI writing prompts. AI writing prompts are tools that use machine learning algorithms to generate ideas or content. These tools are designed to provide writers with inspiration and direction, helping them to overcome writer's block and generate new ideas for their content. Importance of AI writing prompts. AI writing prompts are important because they can help writers to generate new ideas and creative content quickly and efficiently. They can be used to jumpstart the writing process, provide inspiration for new stories, and even help to improve the quality of the content. Ethical considerations. While AI writing prompts can be a useful tool for writers, there are ethical considerations that need to be taken into account. Some of these considerations include issues of ownership and attribution, plagiarism, and the potential for biased or harmful content. As we move forward in this course, we will discuss these ethical considerations in more detail and explore best practices for using AI writing prompts in an ethical and responsible way. Course structure and learning objectives. Before we begin, let's take a moment to review the structure of this course and its learning objectives. Over the next 12 hours, we will cover a variety of topics related to AI writing prompts, including the fundamentals of natural language processing, identifying your audience and purpose, developing engaging writing prompts, generating creative content with AI, refining and polishing generated content, and more. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of AI writing tools and techniques, and how to use them to generate creative content. Conclusion. In summary, this hour has provided an introduction to AI writing prompts, their importance in generating creative content, and the ethical considerations in using AI to generate content. In the next hour, we will delve deeper into the fundamentals of natural language processing and its role in AI writing. Introduction to AI writing prompts. Welcome to the course on writing.